Hello, this is the first video for Math0302 Beginning Algebra, Chapter 2, Section 4. It's called an Introduction to Problem Solving. Now, it gives us the strategy for solving problems. It's understand, translate, solve, and interpret. Basically, those are the same way as saying the first step is to read the problem. The second step is to read the problem, and the third step is to read the problem. Okay, now in between the 2 and 3 here, you're going to actually solve the problem. Okay, so those are my 3 steps for solving word problems. Okay, so let's see how to use these. Number 1, it says 3 times a number minus 6 is the same as 2 times a number plus 3. Find the number. Okay, I've read it once. Now notice that it says find the number. Because there are no variables in the problem, you need to write down let x equal the number. Okay, because that's what we want to find. We want to find the number, right? I'm going to almost always set my variable to be equal to whatever it is that we're looking for. Now let's read this a second time, writing down information. 3 times a number. Well, 3 times a number is 3x. 3 times x is just 3x, comma, minus 6. How do I do that? Well, 3x and then minus 6 is the same as, I actually want you to box that, is the same as means equals. So that's actually going to separate one side of the equation from the other. 2 times a number, so 2 times a number is 2x, and then plus 3. Plus 3. Notice we now have a linear equation that we can solve, and we're going to. The first step in solving this is to get x's on one side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So that's going to give me x minus 6 is equal to 3. Then I'm going to add the 6 to both sides. So that's going to give me x equals 9. Now technically the solution set here is 9, but notice because it's a word problem we have to put our answer in a sentence, and that of course that means capitalization, punctuation, noun, verb, subject, predicate, completely spelled words, or excuse me, correctly spelled words if it's spelled correctly in the problem for you. Okay, so it says find the number, and what was the number? The number was 9. So the number is 9. Now notice that I didn't use a very creative sentence, but it is a sentence and it is conveying the information that I have. This is not English class, and I'm not having you write down a word that's 39 words long for some odd reason. This is math class. Convey the information and do it very clearly and preferably concisely.